Namaste, this is Kritika Madhusudan welcoming you all to the award function of Balakala Pratibhe hosted by Veenadhari Institute of Music and Fine Arts. Before we go ahead, I would like to invite Miss Shalmali Srinivas to do the invocation.
सरस्वती सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे 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 सरस्वती नमोस्तुते करत वीणा पुस्तक 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 वरमणि मालालंकृत करत वीणा पुस्तक वरमणि मालालंकृत सरिमपद पमपद सरिमपद पमपद सपद सानिरपमरि सरिमपद सरिमानि सनिधपमरि सरि सनि सरस्वती सरिमपद पमपद सपद सानिरपमरि सनि सरिमपद सरिमानि सनिधपमरि सनि सनि सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोस्तुते नरहरि सुत विधिलालित नवमन्वित ಕಂಬುಗಳೇ ನರಹರಿ ಸುತ ವಿಧಿಲಾಲಿತ ನವಮಣಿತ ಕಂಬುಗಳೇ ಸುರಸೇವಿತ ಪದಯುಗಳೇ ಸುರಸೇವಿತ ಪದಯುಗಳೇ ಸುಧಾಕರ ಸಮರವಳೇ ಸುರಸೇವಿತ ಪದಯುಗಳೇ ಸುಧಾಕರ ಸಮರವಳೇ ಸರಿಮಪದ ಪಮಪದ ಸಪದ ಸಾನಿರಪಮರಿ ಸನಿ ಸರಿಮಪದ ಸರಿಮಾರಿ ಸನಿರಪಮರಿ ಸರಿ ಸನಿ सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती निरपमरि सरस्वती सरिमपद निरपमरि सरस्वती पद सरि सनिधप निधप निधापमरि सरस्वती दसनीद पद सनीद मपद सनीद रि सनीद सनीद नीद निधप मरि सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती 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 नमोस्तुते
Thank you, Ms. Sharmali, for the wonderful invocation. Vinadhari Institute of Music and Fine Arts was founded by Ganakala Kasturi Nadajyoti Vainika Kala Pravine Vidushi Srimati Anuradha Madhusudan in 1985. Our mission is to promote Indian music and dance across the world and create a platform to encourage students to pursue Indian art forms. Our vision is to help spread music and dance to every nook and corner of the world with the humble intention to acknowledge and appreciate the value and significance of Indian music and dance. Our current initiatives are Gananatisari online international level music and dance competitions. We have instituted Kala Shrestha Acharya Award this year for the best teacher in the field of Indian music and dance. Carnatic music exams. We conduct Carnatic music exams twice every year. We provide examinations for different grades. Start at any level and keep progressing. Sangeeta Vaibhava or Nritya Vaibhava. Regular music and dance concerts to promote music and dance. Vinadhari Institute of Music and Fine Arts is proudly associated with International Reiki Foundation IRF Trust and involves in the donation activities to kids and other needy people. Our upcoming initiatives are Udayotsavam, free online music competitions for NGOs, old age homes, differently abled and orphanages. Gananatyotsavam, Kalotsavam or Swaranatyotsavam are platforms for high-performing participants of our competitions Gananatisari, Kala Saurabha and Swaranatya Sambrama. Kala Saurabha, online international level music and dance competitions. Registrations will open in August 2024. Swaranatya Sambrama, online international level music and dance competitions. Registrations will open in November 2024. Kaladhari Award, presented to the upcoming and promising artists in the field of Indian music and dance. Balakala Pratibhe Award is instituted with the main intention of motivating and encouraging the budding talents in the field of Indian music and dance. The spirit behind this initiative is our founder chairman Vidushi Srimati Anuradha Madhusudan. When youngsters are recognized and given a pat on the back, their self-esteem and self-confidence go up, which helps in shaping their respective careers in a commendable way. We are very happy to be awarding this first ever Balakala Pratibhe Award to Master Aniruddha Krishna, an upcoming Carnatic vocalist and a disciple of Sri R.K. Padmanabha Sir from Bengaluru. Immediately followed by this award function, we have a vocal concert by Master Aniruddha Krishna and team. We have video messages from senior and reputed Carnatic musicians and dignitaries about this award. To start with, we have a video message from Vidwan Venugopal Hemige. I will read out the brief profile of Vidwan Venugopal Hemige. Sri Hemige Srinivasa Murthy Venugopal had his initial training under Vidwan A.V. Prakash in Mysore and later under Vidwan M.S. Srinivasa Murthy in Bangalore. He has the very rare recognition of a performer as both a solo performer and as an accompanying artist for over many years now. As a solo performer, he has performed extensively in many of the major sabhas. He has composed music for many dance ballets and devotional music albums. He has also composed and organized music for many dramas including The Mandra. He has toured various countries like the USA, New Zealand, Germany, Sri Lanka, Kuwait, Europe, Australia, etc. He has many awards and titles to his credit. Hamsa Puraskar by Hamsa Jyoti, the title Sunada Vinoda by Sri Shirdi Sai Baba Mandir also, the title Madhuramrita Murli Gana Pravina by Devi Bhakta Gana Sabha also, to name a few. He has also been felicitated by many organizations like Shantala Academy, Rasika Academy, etc. Many newspapers and magazines have praised his various performances. Vidwan Venugopal Hemige runs a music school called Gokulam School of Music in Bangalore and has the credit of having numerous disciples, some of them who are performing artists. Now, we shall present a video message from Vidwan Venugopal Hemige.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. It's indeed a great privilege for me to tell you about the institution Veenadari. Veenadari Samsthe, headed by ವೀಣಾ ವಿದುಷಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನುರಾಧ ಮಧುಸೂದನ್, ಈ ನಾಡು ಕಂಡಂಥ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ವೀಣಾ ಕಲಾವಿದರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಇಲ್ಲಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷಿಯಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾಮರಾಜಪೇಟೆಯ ರಾಮ ಸೇವಾ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಫೌಂಡರ್, ಅವರ ಸುಪುತ್ರಿ. ಅವರು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಈ ವೀಣಾದರಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಮೋಟಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರಾಪಗೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಮೋಟಿವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ವೀಣಾ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. The team, Veenadari team, is doing a great service in the field of music. ಈ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅವರೊಂದು ಬಾಲಕಲಾ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ನಾಡು ಕಂಡಂಥ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ವಿದ್ವಾಂಸರಾದಂಥ ಆರ್.ಕೆ. ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ ಅವರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟು ಅನಿರುದ್ಧ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಮುಂದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಸ್ಟೋಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಈ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಕೈಗಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ದೇವರು ಸಕಲ ಸನ್ಮಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅನೇಕರು ಭಾಜನರಾಗಲಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳು, ನಾಡಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳು ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಉಪಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಭಗವಂತ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you, Vidwan Venugopal sir. Next, we have a video message from Vidushi Mandolin Yonagamani. When most little girls at the age of 7 would be clutching a doll in their hands, little Nagamani was clutching a mandolin using her tender fingers to learn the intricacies of this stringed instrument. By the age of 9, she was performing as a seasoned soloist in the hallowed portals of the Grand Music Sabhas of Chennai. She is a child prodigy who ranks on par with many Carnatic music exponents much senior to her in years. She has extensively performed around the globe in the countries like South Africa, USA, Canada, Singapore, Australia, Germany, France, and Switzerland. She has also achieved fame through her solo audio CDs and cassettes under the banners of Kalavardhini, Mujra, Sangeeta, and Geeta Cassettes. Srimati Nagamani, along with her mentor and husband Sri U.P. Raju, together they form a formidable mandolin duo. She is also training many students in this unique instrument, which includes online classes for her students in Canada, USA, Switzerland, Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, France, etc. Srimati Nagamani has won many awards and prizes from various esteemed organizations. In 2012, she graduated as an A-graded artist in the All India Radio AIR. She did her BCom and Masters in Fine Arts MFA from the University of Madras. In 2012, along with Mandolin U.P. Raju, Srimati Nagamani started their Shastriya Mandolin Shikshana, a school for learning Carnatic music on mandolin both personally and online through Skype. Along with Mandolin U.P. Raju, Mandolin Nagamani conducts Guru Smaranam every year to pay their respects to their beloved Guru, Sri Rudraraju Subbaraju, a program dedicated to their Guru. In 2018, she received Gandharva Kala Ratna title from the Gandharva Gana Sabha, Chennai. In 2022, she received Isai Tamil Vandar Award from Tamil Isai Mayam, Chennai. In 2022, she received Nada Kala Vipanchi from Vipanchi Art Festival 2022, Chennai. In 2022, Ministry of Culture, Government of India awarded CCRT Fellowship in the field of Classical Carnatic Instrumental Music for her project on the subject Carnatic Music on Western Instrument Mandolin for the year 2021. In 2023, she received Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar Award from Sangeet Natak Academy, Ministry of Culture, Government of India for the year 2021. In 2023, our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, quoted and highlighted Srimati U. Nagamani's credentials in the unique Carnatic mandolin art field in his famous national program PM Modi's Man Ki Baat episode with the nation on the 26th of February 2023. In 2024, she was invited as a special invitee to witness the esteemed 75th Indian Republic Day celebrations at New Delhi. In 2024, she was awarded Maryada Purushottama Sri Ramachinmaya Raghuveer Life Achievement Award from the esteemed Chinmaya Mission. We shall now be presenting a video message from Vidushi U. Nagamani.
Namaskaram. I'm Mandolin Srimati U. Nagamani here. My hearty congratulations to Srimati Anuradha Madhusudan ma'am, founder of Veenadhari Institute of Music. Veenadhari Institute of Music and Fine Arts is an organization devoted to the cause of spreading Indian music and fine arts, motivating the youngsters to learn and practice our Indian music and fine arts. Vidushi Srimati Anuradha Madhusudan, a well-known Veena artist, is the founder of Veenadhari Institute. Anuradha is the daughter of late Narayan Swami Rao Garu, founder of the very reputed Sri Rama Seva Mandali, Chamarajpet, Bangalore. Veenadhari has instituted an award, Bala Kala Pratibha, to encourage and motivate the rising talents in the field of music and dance. It's a noble and very appreciative move by Veenadhari to have instituted the award to encourage and motivate upcoming artists. This year, Master Aniruddha Krishna, an upcoming Carnatic vocalist, has been chosen by the committee members to receive the award. Wishing Aniruddha Krishna all the very best for a bright future. Once again, hearty congratulations to Mrs. Anuradha ma'am, Veena Vidushi, and Aniruddha for a bright future in all his endeavors. Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you, Nagamani ma'am. Next, we have a video message from Vidwan S. Ashok. Born in a music-loving and encouraging family, Vidwan Ashok started learning music at the tender age of 6 at Vijaya College of Music under the able guidance of Professor H.V. Krishnamurthy. Later on, coming under the tutelage of Vidwan Sri H.S. Satyendra, he started learning Mridangam as well. Continuing the journey of vocal learning, he started singing Carnatic vocal duo along with Vidwan Hariharan MB under the name Bangalore Brothers. Now, Bangalore Brothers are one of the leading youth generation iconic duo recognized by many reputed Sangeeta Sabhas across India and abroad. He is an A-graded artist in the All India Radio Bangalore for Carnatic vocal duet. Academically, Ashok is a mechanical engineer and working in HAL, reputed public sector in Defence Ministry. He is a postgraduate in Carnatic Music, M-Music, from the University of Madras. He is a recipient of many awards like Gana Kala Vipanchi, Sangeeta Kaustuba, to name a few. Publications worked on Uga Boga Darpana, Sulabhavallavo, Mahadananda, Purandaradasara Navaratna Malike, Directory of Carnatic Musicians. Now we shall be presenting a video message from Vidwan Ashok S.
Namaskaram to one and all. Ashok here, Carnatic musician, vocalist and Mridangam artist. Today I am very happy to share a few words about Veenadhari Institute and the award it is instituting from this year. Veenadhari Institute of Music and Fine Arts is an organization devoted to the cause of spreading Indian classical music and fine arts, motivating the youngsters across the globe to learn and practice our rich Indian music and fine arts. Vidushi Srimati Anuradha Madhusudan is a very well-known Veena artist of our state, and she is the founder of Veenadhari Institute. Anuradha Madhusudan is also the daughter of late Narayan Swami Rao, founder of a very reputed Sri Rama Seva Mandali, Chamarajpet, Bangalore. Veenadhari Institute this year instituted an award called Balakala Pratibhe to motivate and encourage the rising talents in the field of Carnatic music. This year award goes to Aniruddha Krishna, a disciple of Ganakala Bhushana, Dr. R.K. Padmanabha sir. It is a very noble and appreciable gesture by Veenadhari Institute. I wish Anuradha Madhusudan and all the members of Veenadhari Institute for this noble cause and a very hearty congratulations and warm wishes to them, and I wish all the very best in their future endeavors. Namaskaram.
Thank you, Ashok sir. The award carries a citation, a shield representing the Balakala Pratibhe Award, and a cash award of Rs 5,000. Now I shall read out the citation being presented to Master Aniruddha Krishna. Veenadhari Institute of Music and Fine Arts, NR Colony, Bangalore 560019. Veenadhari is happy to present the Rising Talent of the Year Award, Balakala Pratibhe, to Master Aniruddha Krishna. You were born in November 2009 in a musical family. Your grandparents and parents are deep into Carnatic classical music. Owing to the musical family background, it was imperative that you developed a strong love and passion towards music. You started off humming tunes at a very young age of 3. You started formally learning Carnatic music at the age of 5 with elementary lessons from your grandmother Vidushi Srimati Sumitra Krishnaswamy and your mother Srimati Bhavya Jayant. Currently, you are under the tutelage of Ganakala Bhushana Dr. R.K. Padmanabha sir. You started learning Mridangam in 2020 under Vidwan Nukkimakki Ramachandra Rao, and you are currently learning from Vidwan H.S. Sudhindram, Suswaralaya College of Music. You are studying in class 8 in Sudarshan Vidya Mandir, Bangalore. Competitions and prizes won. You have taken part in many state, national and international level competitions and have won numerous prizes. To name a few, Guru Guhamrita, competition of Dikshitar Kriti's compositions, won Meeraj Tambura. First prize in vocal, Varnam and Kriti competitions by Rotary Club of Chennai, Hallmark. Sri Tyagaraja, Sri Purandaradasa and Sri Swati Tirunal competitions conducted by Gayana Samaja, Bangalore. Won first prize in Mysore Dasara competitions. Won first prize in Amrita Vashini conducted by Tattva Foundations in 2 consecutive years. Won first prize in Smarane competition conducted by Indian Music Experience Bangalore and had a live interaction with Shankar Mahadevan. Sri Swati Tirunal competitions held by Tyagaraja Gana Sabha. Vocal competitions held by Veenadhari Institute of Music and Fine Arts, Bangalore. You have also performed in Ramotsava and Krishna Janmashtami celebrations in various temples in Chicago, USA. Took part in Carnatic Music Idol 2022 competitions conducted by Ragamalika TV. You were through to the grand finale and won the Best On-Stage Presentation Award. Concerts and performances. Featured in Ragamalika TV's Amrit Mahotsav celebrations of Indian independence singing Vande Mataram. Hour-long classical music concerts from the age of 10 at various stages. To name a few, Veenadhari Institute of Music, Bangalore, Guru Guhamrita, Chennai, Ramalalita Kala Mandira, Bangalore. You've also performed for International Music Premier League on account of Purandaradasa Nadarchana. In prestigious Karnataka Ganakala Parishad programs, you have given a concert under Chinnara Chirume in 2023. Program in Mridangam under Laya Chiguru in 2023. A 1-hour-long concert at Muralidhara Sangeeta Nritya Mahavidyalaya in 2023. We at Veenadhari Institute are privileged and honored to present the Rising Talent of the Year Award, Balakala Pratibhe, to you, Master Aniruddha Krishna. Now, the citation, award and the cash award are being handed over to Master Aniruddha Krishna. Now we present the award acceptance speech by Master Aniruddha Krishna.
Namaskaram to all of you. I am Aniruddha Krishna, a disciple of Ganakala Bhushana, Vidwan Dr. R.K. Padmanabha sir. I am very happy to be amongst all of you today. I like to express my deepest gratitude for the special honor and recognition that Veenadhari Institute of Music and Fine Arts has bestowed upon me for my efforts in Carnatic classical music. Veenadhari Institute has been recognizing young talents like us by conducting various competitions and providing a platform to showcase our talents. They have also been teaching music for many of the aspirants. I am very happy to be receiving this award from Vidushi Srimati Anuradha Madhusudan ma'am. Thank you Anuradha ma'am and Dr. Madhusudan sir for choosing me for this award. I would like to take the opportunity to thank my gurus. Whatever little I have achieved till now is definitely because of their blessings and constant guidance. Institutes like these recognize us and motivate us to practice and get better. It is also our responsibility to strive more and reach greater heights. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Master Aniruddha. Our heartiest congratulations to you, Master Aniruddha Krishna. And here is wishing from Team Veenadhari, may you grow to astonishing heights in the field of Carnatic music. We must add here that Master Aniruddha Krishna is blessed to be under the masterly guidance of the renowned Vidwan R.K. Padmanabha sir. He has groomed him really well. We would like to mention that his parents and grandparents have motivated and encouraged him well throughout. We sincerely wish you to reach glorious heights in your chosen field of Carnatic music. We now go ahead with Master Aniruddha Krishna's vocal concert dedicated to him receiving the Balakala Pratibhe Award. He is accompanied on the violin by Sarang and on the mridangam by Arnav. We shall now be presenting Master Aniruddha Krishna's concert for you.
Namaskaram to all. I am Aniruddha Krishna, a disciple of Ganakala Bhushana, Vidwan Dr. R.K. Padmanabha sir. I want to thank Veenadhari Institute of Music for providing me this opportunity. I am very glad to be sharing the stage with my fellow artists, Sarang Bhagwat on the violin and Arnav Gopalan on the mridangam. I will start my concert with a Varnam in Darbar set to Aditala composed by Thiruvattriyur Tyagayar. Chala mela jese pura chalanam mi na pai wa Pamada padama padani sa da padani sari sari gari sari ni da pa sa sa pa pa da pa mari gari sari chala me laga ura chalanam na ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ನಿ ದ ಸ ಸ ಪ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ರಿ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಚಲ ಮೇಲ ಊರ ಚ ದನಂ ಈ ನ ಬೈ ಬಲ ಚಿ ನ ಪದೇಲ ವೇಣು ಗೋಪಾಲ ದೇವ ಮರೆ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸಮರಿ ಪಮ ದವ ದಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಗಾರಿ ಸರಿ ನಿ ದವ ಸ ಸ ಪ ಪ ದವ ಮರಿ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಚಲ ಮೇಲ da ba ma pa ma re ga re sa re ni re sa ni sa da ni sa re ma pa lo go do da ba da ma pa re ma ba da re ma ba ma re ga re sa re ni sa da ni ba da ni sa re ma ba da ma ba da ni sa re ni ga re sa re ni re sa ni sa da ba da ma pa re ma ba go ni sa ba pa da ba ma re ga re sa re ni sa sa re pa ni sa ba pa da ba ma re ga re sa re ni sa da da ba da ni sa re ma ba da ni sa ni da da ba ma ga re sa re ma pa da ba ma re ga re sa re ma ba da ni sa re ni sa re ga re sa ni da ba da ni sa re ni sa ba da ma ba re ma sa re ma ba lo go na la do ba lo ಶ್ರೀನಾಥಾದಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥಾದಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹ ಜಯತಿ ಜಯತಿ 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 ಶ್ರೀ ಚಿದಾನಂದನಾಥೋಕಮಿತಿ ಸಂತತಂ ಯತಿ ನಿಬದ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥಾದಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹ ಜಯತಿ ಜಯತಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಿದಾನಂದನಾಥೋಕಮಿತಿ ಸಂತತಂ ಯತಿ ನಿಬದ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥಾದಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹ ಜಯತಿ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಕರೋ ನಾಮ ರೂಪ ಪಂಚಭೂತ ಕರೋ ನಾನಾ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಕರೋ ನಾಮ ರೂಪ ಪಂಚಭೂತ ಕರೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ದ್ವಾರ ಪ್ರಚಂಡ ಭಾಸ್ಕರೋ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರೋ अज्ञान ध्वान्त प्रचण्ड भास्करो ज्ञान प्रदायको महेश्वरो दीनावनो युक्त दिव्यतरो दीनावनो युक्त दिव्यतरो दिव्यौगादि सकल देहतरो दीनावनो युक्त दिव्यतरो दिव्यौगादि सकल देहतरो मानसानन्दकर चतुरतरो मद्गुरुवरो मङ्गलं करोतु श्रीनाथादि गुरु जयति जयति श्री चिदानन्दनाथो गमिति सन्ततं यदि निबद श्रीनाथादि गुरु जयति माया माया विश्वाधिष्ठानो अनुष्ठानो माया माया विश्वाधिष्ठानो मानिने मण्डलान्तविदानो मन्त्रजपाहंस ध्यानो मानिने मण्डलान्तविदानो मन्त्रजपाहंस ध्यानो माया कार्यकलनाहीनो मामक सहस्रकमलासीनो माया कार्यकलनाहीनो मामक सहस्रकमलासीनो माधुर्य गानामृतपानो माधुर्य गानामृतपानो माधवाद्य भय वरप्रदानो माया शबलित ब्रह्मरूपो मारकोटि सुन्दर स्वरूपो मतिमतां हृदय गोपुरदीपो मत शूरदि जय प्रतापो माया माळवगौळादिदेश माया माळवगौळादिदेश महीपतिभूतपद प्रदेश माधवाद्यमरवृन्द प्रकाश महिषस्य महतोपदेश माया माळवगौळादिदेश सरि ग माया माळवगौळादिदेश गाम पद पम गाम पद निध नि पद म पम रि स निध स निध प माया माद पम पद नि नि द पम गम पद निध नि पद म माया पद पम पद नि सरि स नि रि स नि रि स निध पद माया दानि सरि स नि सरि रि स नि सरि रि स नि दानि सरि गरि रि स नि सरि गरि स नि गरि स नि धरि स नि ध प स नि ध पद माया द प प प द प म प द प प प द da ba ma pa da ma da ba ma pa da pa pa ma pa da pa da ba ma pa da ba ma da ba ma ga ma pa da ba ma ga ma pa ni da ba ma ga ma pa da ba ma ga ma ga ri sa ni sa re ga ma da ba ma ga ri sa ni sa re ga ma pa da ni da ba ma ga ma pa da ni da ri sa 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 ri sa ni sa sa ni sa ri sa ri sa ni da ni sa ri ga ri sa ni ga ri sa ni sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ni sa pa ma ga ri sa ga ri sa ni sa ni da ga ri sa ni da ri sa ni da ba sa ni da ba da ga ma pa da ni ga ma pa da ni da pa da ni sa ni ga ri sa ri sa ni sa ni da ga ri sa ni da ri sa ni da ba sa ni da ba da ma ya ma da ba gauda di प्रदेश माधवाद्य मर बृंद प्रकाश महिषस्य महतोपदेश श्री गुरु जयति जयतु चिदानन्दनाथोकमिति सन्ततं इति निपत नाथादि गुरु जयति नीकेलदय रघुरामचन्द्र नीकेलदय रघुरामचन्द्र नीकेलदय रघुरामचन्द्र नीकेलदय रघुरामचन्द्र नीकेलदय रघुरामचन्द्र निन्ने नम्मलेद भक्तवत्सल नीगे हृदय रघुरामचन्द्र निन्ने नम्मलेद भक्तवत्सल नीकेलदय रघुरामचन्द्र राकेन्दु दिबा नन जानकीश राकेन्दु दिबा नन जानकीश राकेन्दु दिबा नन जानकीश राकेन्दु दिबा नन जानकीश साकेत पूरधीश सर्वेश साकेत पूरधीश सर्वेश मागरि मदानि गापसनि दाप सारि मगरि सबरि ससनि नि दब गप सबरि सब रि मगरि सब सनि नि दब मदनि गपसनि द मदनि गपनि गे रघुराम चन्द्र निन्ने नम्मलेद भक्तवत्सल नीकेलदय रघुरामचन्द्र निगमार्थसार नित्य निर्विकार निगमार्थसार नित्य निर्विकार नगराजधर अनन्तावतार निगमार्थसार नित्य निर्विकार नगराजधर अनन्तावतार योगीश्वर योगीश्वर श्रीधर वासुदेव योगीश्वर श्रीधर वासुदेव योगेश्वर श्रीधर वासुदेव योगेश्वर श्रीधर वासुदेव पगलूरेयु निन्ने पगडु चुंडग पगलूरेयु निन्ने पगडु चुंडग मागरि मदानि गापसनि दा सारे मगरि सबरि ससनि निदप मगरि मदनि गापस निदप सरि मगरि स परि ससनि निदप गापस परि सबस रि मगरि सबसनि निदप मदनि गा सनि द मदनि गापनि गेलद दूराम चंद्र निन्ने नम्मरेंद भक्तवत्सल ಈ ಕೇಲದಯ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ शेषाचलनायकम् शेषाचलनायकं भजामि विशेषफलप्रदायकं शेषाचलनायकं भजामि विशेषफलप्रदायकं शेषाचलनायकं भजामि विशेषफलप्रदायकं शेषाचलनायकं भजामि प्रदायकं शेषचलनायकं विशेष फलप्रदायकं शेषचलनायकं विशेष फलप्रदायकं भाषारमण प्रवृत्य शेषामरनुत कौस्तुभ भाषारमण प्रवृत्य शेषामरनुत कौस्तुभ भूषालङ्कृत बहुतर भूषालङ्कृत बहुतर वेषात्मक विग्रहं भूषालङ्कृत बहुतर वेषात्मक विग्रहं भूषालङ्कृत बहुतर वेषात्मक विग्रहं भूषालङ्कृत बहुतर वेषात्मक विग्रहं शेषचलनायकं विशेष फलप्रदायकं मन्दहासवदनं स्वच्छन्द हृदय सदनं मन्दहासवदनं स्वच्छन्द हृदय सदनं सुन्दरजितमदनं मुकुन्दं मधुसूदनं सुन्दरजितमदनं मुकुन्दं मधुसूदनं अरविन्दपत्र नयनं अरविन्दपत्र नयनं गोविन्दमुरग शयनं अरविन्दपत्र नयनं गोविन्दमुरग शयनं अरविन्दपत्र नयनं अरविन्दपत्र नयनं गोविन्दमुरग शयनं अरविन्दपत्र नयनं गोविन्दमुरग शयनं अरविन्दपत्र नयनं रविन्दपत्र नयनं गोविन्दमुरग शयनं अरविन्दपत्र नयनं गोविन्दमुरग शयनं अरविन्दपत्र नयनं ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ನಯನಂ ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ನಯನಂ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮೂರಗ ಶಯನಂ ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ನಯನಂ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮೂರಗ ಶಯನಂ ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ನಯನಂ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮೂರಗ ಶಯನಂ ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ನಯನಂ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮೂರಗ ಶಯನಂ ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ನಯನಂ. ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ನಯನಂ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮೂರಗ ಶಯನಂ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ನಯನಂ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮೂರಗ ಶಯನಂ ಅರವಿಂದ 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 ಪತ್ರ ನಯನಂ ಪದನಿ ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ನಿಸರಿ ನಿಸದ ನಿಮಾದ ನಿಸರಿ ಅರವಿಂದ ನೀದ ಪಮಗ ಮದ ನೀದ ಪಮ ಪದ ನೀ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ನೀ ಸರಿ ಧನಿ ಧನಿ ರಿ ಅರವಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ಧ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಪ ದ ಬ ಮ ಪ ದ ಬ ಮ ನಿ ಧ ನಿ ಗ ನಿ ಧ ಬ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಧ ಬ ಮ ಗ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಮ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ದ ಗ ರಿ पत्र नयन सनि दव म गम पदनि अरविन्द पत्र नि सरि रि सनि सरि गरि सनि नि सरि सदनि अरविन्द पद पम पदनि सनि दव म गम पदनि ददनि सनि गरि सनि स गरि सनि रि सनि सरि अरविन्द दव म गम पदनि निरि नि दव म गम पदनि दव म पदनि दनि सरि सनि नि सरि गरि स दनि स गरि सनि द गरि सनि द रे सनि दव गरि स रि सनि गरि सनि द रे सनि दव सनि दव म प म ग रि द म अरविन्द पत्र दव म पद प म पद प म पद दव म पद प म द प द म प ग म ग प म द प नि द स नि दव म ग ग म ग रि स नि प म प म ग रि स नि स ग रि ग म प द प म पद प म पद नि नि दव म ग म पद नि दानि सरि स स सनि स स सनि दव म ग म पद नि स स स ग म द रि स गरि नि रि स द स नि प नि द प म प पद नि स पद नि स पद नि स गरि स रि स नि रि स नि रि स नि सा नि द सा नि द सा नि द गरि स नि स गरि स नि स गरि स नि स सा रे ग गरि स नि नि स रि रि स नि द धा नि स स नि द प द नि नि द प म म प द नि द नि स गरि स द नि स गरि स द नि स गरि स द नि स गम गम प म प म प द नि गम प म प द गरि स नि द नि स 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 गरि स द नि स गरि स द नि स गरि स द नि स gari sa ni sa gari sa ni sa gari sa ni sa ri sa ni sa ri sa ni sa ri sa ni sa sa ni sa sa ni sa sa ni sa ni sa ni sa ni sa 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 ni 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 da ba ma ba da ba ma ba da ba ma ba da ni da ba ma ba da ni 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 da ba ma ga ma ba da ni da ni sa 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 re sa ni sa re sa re sa ni sa re ni re sa ni sa re sa sa ni sa re sa ni sa re da re sa ni sa re ga re sa ni ga 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 re sa ni ga ma ga re sa ni sa ga re sa ni da ni sa re ga re sa ni re sa ni da ga re sa ni sa re sa ni da ni sa ni da ni sa ga re sa ni da re sa ni da ba sa ni da ba ma ga ma ba da ni da ba da ni sa ni ga ma ba da ni da ba da ni sa ni ga re sa ni da re sa ni da ba ma ba da ni sa ga re sa 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 re sa ni da ni 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 sa ni da ni sa 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 ga re sa ni da ba sa ni da ba ma ba ga ma ba da ni da ba da ni sa ga re sa ni da re sa ni da அரவிந்த பத்ர நயனம் फलप्रदायकं ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯು ಕಾಣಬಂತೀಗ ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯು ಕಾಣಬಂತೀಗ ಜಲಜಾಕ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಗಿರಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯು ಕಾಣಬಂತೀಗ ಜಲಜಾಕ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಗಿರಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯು ಕಾಣಬಂತೀಗ ಜಲಜಾಕ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಗಿರಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯು ಕಾಣಬಂತೀಗ ಹರಿಕಥೆಯನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀನ ನುಡಿ ನುಡಿಯುವರು ಹರಿಕಥೆಯನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀನ ನುಡಿ ನುಡಿಯುವರು ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರ ದೂಷಿಸಲು ಎಣಿಸುತ್ತಿಹರು ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರ ದೂಷಿಸಲು ಎಣಿಸುತ್ತಿಹರು ಪೊರೆದ ತಾಯ್ ತಂದೆಯರ ಮಾತುಗಳ ಮನ್ನಿಸದೆ ಪೊರೆದ ತಾಯ್ ತಂದೆಯರ ಮಾತುಗಳ ಮನ್ನಿಸದೆ ತರುಣಿಯರ ನುಡಿ ಕೇಳಲಿ ಛಿಸುತ್ತಲಿಹರು ತರುಣಿಯರ ನುಡಿ ಕೇಳಲಿ ಛಿಸುತ್ತಲಿಹರು ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯು ಕಾಣಬಂತೀಗ ಜಲಜಾಕ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಗಿರಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯು ಕಾಣಬಂತೀಗ ಮಾಡಿದುಪಕಾರವನು ಮರೆತು ಕೊಂಬರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿದುಪಕಾರವನು ಮರೆತು ಕೊಂಬರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಕಾದುವರು ಕಪಟದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದುಪಕಾರವನು ಮರೆತು ಕೊಂಬರು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಕಾದುವರು ಕಪಟದಿಂದ ರೂಢಿಯೊಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರೂಢಿಯೊಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರೂಢಿಯೊಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪಾಡಿ ಪೊಗಳುವರಿಗೆ ನಾರ ಭಯವಿಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಮಹಿಮೆ ಕಾಣಬಂತೀಗ ದಕ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಗಿರಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯು ಕಾಣಬಂತೀಗ ಆ ಆ Thank you.
It was an enjoyable and memorable concert. He took us to a different world of music altogether. Overall, a great concert by a very good and talented budding artist. Thank you, Master Aniruddha Krishna, for your wonderful concert. I would also like to thank the accompanying artists, Sarang on the violin and Arnav on the mridangam. Thank you, audience, for watching the concert. Thank you.